Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the answers for Introduction to Internet of Things Week 8 Assignment. Let's go to the course and go to Week 8 Quiz Assignment 8. I'm reading the first question. The major difference between cluster and grid computing is. The answer for this is option A. Cluster computing supports homogeneous and grid computing supports heterogeneous computing nodes. This is option A. Let's move on to second question. The topmost layer of cloud SIM architecture. The option for this is D. It presents different machines and application specifications. So the option for second question is option D. And the third question, which of the following is the statement indicates the network virtualization? The answer for this is option D. Abstraction of the physical resources from the network services. So fourth one is the option for third question. Okay. Which of the following cloud deployment model is owned by an organization and offers the cloud service? The answer for this is B. Public cloud. The answer for fourth question is option B. Which of the following is not used in SDN? The answer is fast flow. The fast flow is not used in SDN. And sixth question, in grid computing, the answer is D. In grid computing, shared pool of configurable computing resources are available. So answer for sixth one is option D. And the seventh question, cloud simulation tools provide. They provide pre-deployment tests of services, evaluation of protocols, control environment. So the answer for this is D. All of the above. This is fourth option. Which of the following is a cloud simulator? The answer for this is DC Sim. DC Sim is the cloud simulator among three options. So answer for eighth question is C. Ninth question. Which of the following service model of cloud computing is an application middleware offered as a service to developers? The answer for this is PaaS. Option B is the right answer for ninth question. Unified global clouds of clouds based on the internet is known as. The answer for this 10th question is intercloud. Intercloud is an internet that unified global cloud of clouds is based. So answer for this is 10th C. Let's move on to 11th question. From the below given options, which is not a characteristic of cloud computing? Low management effort, low level generalization of computation, on demand solutions, configurable computer resources. The answer for the 11th one is option B, low level generalization of computation. So 11 answer B option. Which of the following organization does not provide database as a service? The answer for this is D. Eureka DB is the organization that does not provide database as a service. Remaining first three options will provide database as a service. So answer for this is D. Let's move on to 13th question. Which of the following is included in the access control layer of cloud computing? The answer for this is all of this. All cloud access, server access and service access are included in the access control layer of cloud computing. So option for this is option D. And the 14th question, which of the following is a feature of Amazon EC2? The answer for this is option D, all of the above. Firewall rules, elastic IP addresses, virtual private clouds, all are the features of Amazon EC2. So option D, all of the above is the correct answer for 14th question. 14D. What is or the role of the middle layer of cloud sim? The answer for this is C. It provides cloud environment. Providing the cloud environment is the role of middle layer of cloud sim. So guys, we have got all the answers for all 15 questions. So please subscribe our channel for more videos and keep liking our videos.